Hey crafters, this is Priscilla, back again with my 12th and final installment of my year-long DIY desktop calendar project. All year I've been using this Paper Source D.I.Y calendar kit. Let's do a quick review of all the calendars I've made this year. Today we're making the December calendar. And here's all the supplies I'll be using today. We're going to start by creating this wintry background by using a Newton's Nook evergreen stencil and gold embossing paste. I'm carefully applying the paste using a palette knife, making sure to get into all those nooks and crannies of the stencil. Here's the fun part, pulling back the stencil and seeing your creation. It's super important to clean up embossing paste off of all surfaces immediately before it dries. So let's do that and put the background aside to dry and move on to the next step. First, I'm going to adhere the gold foil background layer directly to the December card insert. To make the sentiment strip, I used gold cardstock and cut out a rectangle using the Cat Scrappiness Stitch Rectangle dies. For the sentiment itself, I used Merry Christmas from the Cat Scrappiness Merry Critters stamp set. I used my Misty stamping tool to do this, first prepping the card surface and then using black VersaFine ink to stamp the sentiment. Now the gold embossing paste was dry on my evergreen trees, so I took a white jelly roll pen and added little touches of snow on the branches. Next, I created stars in the sky using a gold Uniball pen. Now it was time to adhere the black cardstock to the gold foil paper beneath it. And all that was left to do was to foam mount the sentiment on top of the trees. And for that finishing touch, I took the white jelly roll pen again and added touches of snow on top of the sentiment banner. That's it. Well, there you have it. The December calendar is done, and so is my whole 12-part series. Let me quickly just show you what they all look like together. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing how these 12 months of calendars came together. Until next time.